Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about Embed Element. What is Embed Element? To define a container for an external resource such as a web page, an image, video, audio. Today I want to show you this is image file with Embed Element. This is MP4 video file with Embed Element. This is MP3 audio file with Embed Element. What is MIME types for identifying audio and video files? Because we have different type of media file that we want to embed audio and video. For MP3 we use audio MPEG. For ACC audio MP4. For video type MPEG. For video MP4. These are media types that we are going to embed the element, and also can embed the image. Okay, inside the body I'm going to write H1. This is MP3 audio file with Embed Element, and after that I'm going to write embed type. The content type or internet media type of the resource specified in the data attribute. What is the type? Here I told you. For MP3 audio MPEG. After that SRC, this file MP3. After that width and height 200. That is the height. 200. 1 HR. And I save this file. This is the MP3 audio file with Embed Elements. What is for video? Embed type. For video MP4. SRC. This is MP4 file. Wide 300. Height 300. And I save this file.
Hello everyone.
See, these both file, MP3 audio file and MP4 video file, will be autoplay when you load the web page. Now I'm going to embed the image. Okay, embed type IMG JPG or PNG. Before you learn what is the type of the image, what is the extension of the image, in the image element SRC travel height wide, double click.
Hello.
See, this is an image file with Embed Element. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Please click on the video if you like it.